Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Ritika and today we are diving into the top 3 WordPress page builders. Let's get started. Number 1, Divi theme. The most popular WordPress theme in the world and ultimate WordPress page builder. It provides variety of features without requirement of any coding. Number 2, Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is an adaptable theme framework for all your WordPress projects. You can build your user-friendly website within minutes. This can be used on unlimited sites. Number 3, Elementor. Elementor is a popular drag and drop page builder plugin for WordPress. While Elementor can be used virtually with any well-coded theme, it offers its own minimalistic theme called Hello Elementor, designed for optimal compatibility and performance. So that's it for this video. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.